Welcome back everyone. In this video we will teach you how to insert picture or an image in MS Excel. So let's get started. First of all, open Microsoft Excel. After opening that, move to Insert tab. After moving to the Insert tab, you will see here a picture in previous versions, but this is 2021. So let's click on Illustrations. After that, here you have the option. If you want to insert icon, so just click icon. If you want to insert picture, so press on picture. After that, you have three options. Okay, you can from this device. Okay, this device means to insert from your own device. Stock images if you have stocked, online images if you would like to insert images from the internet. So let's first of all check this device, and here let's select an image. So let's move to the documents. I think I have an image here where I can find. So let's move back to the download. So let's insert an image like this one. So after inserting the image, we will also automatically resize the image. Okay, whenever you place it in the cell, it will be automatically resizing itself. Okay, if you are increasing the height of cell or height or width of cell, so it will increase automatically the image. For example, let's first of all make this. First of all, I will just increase less the size of this row also like this. Let's place first of all our image here. Like this. Okay, let's. So that's it. Okay, so now if I decrease the size or increase the size, so it should automatically resize the image. So for that, right click on this image. After that, come here, format picture at the last. After pressing that, so here press this option. Okay, this size and properties. After pressing the size and properties, just come here, uncheck this lock aspect ratio in size, and in the properties, move and resize with cells. Click this one. So that is okay. Let's close it and let's check it now. Okay, let's decrease the size. See, it is decreasing the size. Let's decrease the width, the height of the cell. So it will automatically adjust itself in the cell. If you want to insert from online tools, so just come here, illustrations and picture, online picture. Yeah, it is loading. So you can search also, or you can automatically insert an image. So let, for example, this one, dogs. So here we have the images. So let's for the display of them. Yeah, for example, this one. Okay, insert it. Yeah, it is downloading and it will insert in our document. So we can do the same as we did with the previous one. We can resize it and we can place it, this image, wherever we want. So it is how we can automatically resize the image and also insert in MS Excel. If you learn this topic, so don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.